Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lamborghini Urus, the SUV that redefines performance, luxury, and style. If you thought the Urus was already a beast, wait until you see what Lamborghini has done with the latest model. The 2025 Urus continues to dominate the luxury SUV segment, blending supercar DNA with everyday usability. It's the perfect mix of raw power, sharp design, and cutting-edge technology. The exterior gets an aggressive refresh with sharper lines, a more aerodynamic front fascia, and a redesigned rear that enhances both aesthetics and performance. Sleek LED lighting, a bold grille, and larger air intakes make it look even more intimidating on the road. Lamborghini has also introduced new lightweight materials to improve performance without compromising on luxury. Step inside, and the cabin is a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and a fully digital cockpit create a futuristic yet driver-focused experience. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen, improved connectivity, and an enhanced sound system that ensures an immersive audio experience. Passengers are treated to supreme comfort with ventilated and massaging seats, making long drives feel effortless. Under the hood, the 2025 Urus packs an even more powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now pushing over 700 horsepower. This translates to a 0 to 60 mph time of just under 3.3 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest supercars on the planet. The improved suspension system and advanced all-wheel drive setup ensure razor-sharp handling, whether you're on city streets or off-road terrain. Lamborghini has also integrated the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for added convenience. With a starting price of around $250,000, the Urus remains a premium offering, but for those who demand the best in performance and luxury, it's worth every penny. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. With its breathtaking design, blistering speed, and unmatched presence, it continues to dominate the high-performance SUV market. Let us know in the comments if this beast is your dream ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content here on Auto Vibes. See you in the next one.